So today's date is November 8th, and I'm here finally to unbox a lot of packages that I've been delivered for a long time. So let me tell you, this was shipped on June 29th, and the other one's been shipped June 23rd. The next one shipped on July 15th. Just imagine, I'm gonna just open today. I mean, how long has been? July 25th, and the last one from it's June the 30th. So let's open these boxes. So I imagine these are for fix and repair or something. And since June I stopped buying, and I have no idea what's in here. So what is this? So we have yeah, you can see that there's a bulgy bus, and I guess it needs some fix and repair. So I see no notes in the box, but I assume, oh, the switch is broken, so it needs a switch here. As you can see it, it's missing a switch. Well, I don't know when I'm going to fix this, so I hope you guys understand. I have a lot of other subscribers send me boxes, and I never had time. You know that I've been sick for a long time, but anyways, trying to recover. Now we have a Tomy Thomas, the tank engine. See, this face is attached. It's one single piece with this black area. Is it the funnel? Yes. So it comes all in a single piece. Let's see if it turns on real quick. Let's put a battery here. I hope I can do it. There it goes. We have a broken gear. It's the axle gear. So yeah, it's easy repair. This is gonna be a good video to fix and get a new switch for bulgy. I hope we get it soon. Okay, next box. I don't know what is in here. So it's a big box. Okay, and we have a note. I think I see belt to the bus. It's a belt to the bus in there, yes, and it's, sorry guys if but you know, with this illness I wasn't able to not even unbox these models. Oh, the wheel is twisted, bended. See the axle. Oh, I don't know what we can do. Yeah, we can fix it. Let's see. I have decided to send one more vehicle to be repaired, and that's it. I will not be sending any more vehicles to be restored due to the amount of work and hospitalism going on for you. Here I sent you a 2005 Bertie, which needs new gears, parts, and rewiring done. Also, I sent you a Lego Super Mario. Oh, this is nice. Oh, thank you so much, my friend. Oh, this is a nice gift for me. It looks awesome. Thank you for your kindness. I love little gifts like this. These are really nice. I love the gift. Why my hands look so black? The lighting is on the other side. Anyways, so thank you very much for this Mario gift, and I will try to get them done soon. I'm gonna keep my gift. Okay, so I put this back in the box so I don't miss anything. And look at that, I have a gift. Thank you. Next box, next package. Oh, look at that, this Terrence, the tractor. Nice. Yeah, we can definitely do something with these models. I'm trying to do this, try to do my best. But anyways, I still have a lot of from other subscribers, so you know, and you need to understand that I will do my best. So it looks like the switch has been removed or pushed down or something. It is not in place, so it will be nice for a video. And this is from SAC. It has a broken cracked gear and a broken wiring. Okay, I will definitely take a look at this. I'm trying to do my best, guys, since I feel much better, working hard and trying to catch up with all the packages. Oh yeah, I bought this long time ago. These are from eBay. Yes, from eBay. See the express coaches. Oh, I thought yes, they sent the whole set. I thought I bought just the two couches and this Thomas. I thought it was only the couches, not including the brake band or the caboose. Nice. Does it work? Will it work? I don't know. Hear that very quiet Thomas. Nice. It is really nice. I don't remember how much I paid for this Thomas, but look, it's nice. Thank you. Yeah, I bought this set. I don't recall how much I paid since it's been what, 4 months ago, and this is until today that I unboxed it. I think I paid $12. $12, I think. I'm not sure. Just nice set. So the next, so I paid for this. These are mine. I'm gonna keep in here with my gift. Thank you. And the last box I have here. I don't know where it comes from. Yeah, I still gotta fix a Tomy model from a subscriber. Soon I will get it done. Okay, now we have a Ferdinand, a diesel. This Ferdinand extender. The head. That will be great video. And we have is this dash? Yes, dash. You know, guys, I already forgot the name of these models. And here's screw. So here is the note. Trying to. Hello, Customs Trackmaster. I am giving you some broken engines that are not working. I am interested in buying a Trackmaster net. I have been collecting my entire life. I never got him. Also, if you have Trackmaster match, I would love to buy that too. And he wants to an invoice. Robbie, thank you for I don't know if you need okay, I did not understand the email, I mean your note, but I think you need to get this done, fix it, or you're giving away to me this, I don't know, but I definitely will help you to get them fixed if you need them back. Yes, and like I said before, I will try to fix everything from now on. I'm still working on few things, but yeah, I'm good. So please wait and give me a little bit of time. I'm not a machine. I'm still recovering, but I'm doing my best. See, I have these boxes that have been delivered for what, 4 months? June, July, August, September, October, November. So it's almost 5 months this box has been delivered, and it's until today that I had the time to open. I still have more packages, but anyways. Whiskas, are you taking a nap? Whiskas, don't bite. No, don't bite.